Okay, boys and girls, this lesson is going to demonstrate to you how you can make your very own pattern turtle. And you can see by the shell how I've used line, and we've learned about the names of different lines and how I've applied that to every section and came up with a little design, and then I've painted the turtle shell in different colours. And I've even applied line designs onto his legs and around his neck, and I also had time to draw in some extra pieces of rocks and reeds, so he's in an environment in his water. I'm just going to put him to the side. You're all going to get a sheet of watercolour paper. Now you're going to have it landscape. So if you did it this way, this is called portrait. We're going to do it landscape, so it's going to go a long ways this direction. You're going to get oil pastels. Now oil pastels are similar to crayons, but they're a lot stronger in colour. So you're all going to get a box of oil pastels, possibly to share with your shoulder partner. And I'd like you to use a variety of colours. So pick one colour to start off with, and what you're going to do in the middle, so imagine where the middle is of the paper, I'd like you to draw a smile, but don't do it to edge, put it in the middle and sort of like in the middle as well, so draw a smile, just like that. I'm going to change my colour, but you can keep the same colour, and I'm going to go just underneath and I'm going to draw another smile. And I'm just going to join it like that. Okay? Now the next thing I'd like to do is draw just underneath this edge is his head. So this is why I didn't want you to go to the very edge, because you need to have room for his head. And I'm going to just change out my colour, and I'm going to draw his feet. So his flippers, 1, 2, okay, and then his shell where he lives in. And this is why we needed this in the center, so that we've got room for his shell. So there we are. Now you've got the outline, which is the contour line of your turtle. Next thing, I'm going to just grab another color, and you're going to draw 3 lines from where you drew your first smile line. 1, 2, 3, and then what I'd like to do is make a point like a rooftop, like a rooftop, like a rooftop, and then where the points are, I'm just going to take it from the point and take it to the top of that shell, top of that shell, top of that shell, top of that shell. Now I can add in some detail. I'm going to do him a curly eye, like a spiral, and a smile. I'm going to do some stripes, curved stripes. And what we're going to do is that we're going to draw. We're not going to colour with our oil pastels, we're going to draw all the lines. So you don't do any colouring. The paint is what's going to be used to add the colour, the final finish to it. And then if you have the notion to add in some of his environment, I'm going to do sort of like a weedy, reedy base, and then some reeds, just some wavy lines, and we've learned all about wavy lines. And if you want, you could even do a wavy line or even a scallop line for some water. Take each section and, using your knowledge, add in designs that you know about different lines. So you could do zigzags, you could do wavy lines, you can change out your oil pastels, you could do spirals, if you're good at doing stars, okay? And then try and make each one unique, so you add a different design in, okay? You could do stripes, and then each one, when you've got the whole thing drawing in, just drawing in, you're going to get watercolours, and always hold your brush as though you're using a pencil, same way as though you were going to write your name or write something down. Hold it, and with some water, I'm going to wet my brush, and with the watercolours, to activate the colour you need to add some water. Always wash your brush before you change colour. And what's so great about these oil pastels is that when you paint, and you paint over the lines that you've drawn with the oil pastels, it resists, and this is called a painting technique called resist, and the watercolours fill in where the oil pastels weren't drawing into. And what I'd like you to do is don't paint your whole turtle in with one colour, but actually use different colours. Now I'm going to change colour. Now I'm washing my water out. There, I've got a nice clean brush, and I'm going to do another section, and I'm going to paint him in. Okay? So don't forget, you've got to do the background as well, where he lives, and the whole turtle. And when you've got it all complete, you should have a beautiful patterned turtle, something like this or even better. So now it's your turn, boys and girls. Let's go make some art.